The Mac Mini M4 is the updated version of Apple's popular desktop computer, combining compact design, high performance, and an affordable price. With the introduction of the M4 chip, Apple continues to innovate, delivering a device suited for both everyday tasks and professional workflows. The Mac Mini M4 offers a wide range of ports for peripherals. The front panel includes two USB-C ports and a 3.5mm audio jack, while the rear panel features three Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI 2.1 with 8K support, Gigabit Ethernet, and a power connector. Priced at $599 for the base model, with 16 gigs of RAM and a 256 gig SSD, the Mac Mini M4 is one of Apple's most affordable computers. Users needing more power can opt for the M4 Pro variant, which adds more cores and Thunderbolt 5 support. The lack of USB-A ports may inconvenience those with older peripherals, but this is easily resolved with adapters and docking stations. Its dimensions have been reduced to 12.7 by 12.7 by 5 centimeters, and it weighs just 670 grams, making it one of the most compact desktops on the market. The aluminum chassis ensures durability and a sleek aesthetic, though some users criticize the power button's placement on the bottom of the case, which can make turning the device on awkward. Despite the compact size, the Mac Mini M4 features an efficient cooling system. The fan remains nearly silent during everyday tasks, but becomes audible during heavy loads. Even during prolonged use, the temperatures stay within safe limits. The top of the case reaches around 30 degrees Celsius, while the exhaust vent peaks at 39 degrees Celsius. Internally, however, the M4 SoC quickly heats up to 102 degrees Celsius under intensive workloads and stabilizes there. Apple prioritizes maintaining this high chip temperature over ramping up the fan, a common approach for their devices that doesn't impact performance. During stress tests, combined with CPU and GPU loads, power consumption peaks at around 37.5 watts before stabilizing at 34 to 35 watts. Equipped with Apple's latest M4 chip, the Mac Mini M4 delivers a significant performance boost over previous generations. The base configuration includes a 10-core GPU, a 10-core CPU, and 16 gigs of unified memory, enabling smooth handling of video editing, image processing, and even modern gaming. In Geekbench 6 tests, the Mac Mini M4 outperforms many desktops in the same price range, excelling in multitasking and graphics-heavy workflows. It also shines in Cinebench 2024, showcasing strong rendering capabilities ideal for 3D modeling and visualization. For gaming, the Mac Mini M4 impresses thanks to its powerful GPU and macOS optimizations. While not designed for hardcore gamers, it handles most modern titles at medium to high settings, particularly at 1080p resolution. The Mac Mini M4 is ideal for those seeking a compact, powerful, and budget-friendly desktop. It suits home users and professionals alike, excelling in video editing, programming, graphics work, and even AI/ML tasks. Despite minor drawbacks like the power button placement and lack of USB-A ports, it remains a top contender in its category. Whether for work, creativity, or casual gaming, the Mac Mini M4 is a standout choice.